This is the Insta360 X3, and Luna and I have come out here today to check out one of the most interesting new features, the Active HDR. So we're going to take a walk through the park and then through the town, recording in standard video mode and in HDR, and we're going to compare the two. Okay, so what do you guys think? Do you think the HDR looks much better than the standard video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to pick up an X3 for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can get one direct from Insta360. Thanks for watching. See you next time.